Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the story background when sharing an Instagram reel on your phone. So let's dive in. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Under the bio section, select the Reels tab. Scroll through your Reels and tap on the one you'd like to share to open it in full screen. Then, tap on the share button beside the reel. Select the add story to begin sharing it. At the top of the screen, tap the sticker icon. Scroll down and select the photo option and then choose the photo you want to use as the background from your own gallery. If the background photo covers the reel, resize and adjust the photo to fit the screen. To reorder the layers, hold the finger onto the photo and drag it to the back. This moves the reels to the top. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap your story to share it. Double check and go back to homepage to click on your story and view it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the story background while sharing a reel. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.